Welcome, fellow learners. Today we embark on an exciting journey into the future of education. The landscape of learning is evolving rapidly, and we are at the forefront of this transformation. We stand at the cusp of a new era in education, where traditional methods are being enhanced and sometimes replaced by cutting-edge technology. Imagine classrooms where holographic projections bring lessons to life, and students can interact with these projections in real time. Artificial intelligence is transforming how we absorb knowledge. AI algorithms can now analyze a student's learning style and adapt the content to suit their needs, making education more personalized than ever before. AI tutors are available 24/7, providing assistance and feedback instantly. This is especially true with microlearning. Microlearning breaks down complex subjects into manageable, bite-sized lessons that are easy to digest. These short bursts of information are designed to fit into our busy lives, making it possible to learn on the go. Microlearning uses short bursts of information, often delivered through engaging videos or interactive modules. This method not only makes learning more accessible, but also more enjoyable. Imagine learning a new language or mastering a new skill in just a few minutes a day. This makes learning more engaging and effective. When students are actively involved in their education, they are more likely to retain information and apply it in real-world scenarios. Interactive lessons and discussions foster a deeper understanding of the material. Join me as we explore this exciting frontier. Together, we will discover how these innovative methods are reshaping the educational landscape. From AI-driven tools to micro-learning apps, the possibilities are endless. Imagine a world where learning is personalized, efficient, and fun. Each student has a custom learning path tailored to their strengths and weaknesses. Personalized dashboards track progress and provide insights, helping students stay motivated and on track. This is the promise of AI-powered micro-learning. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, we can create learning experiences that are not only effective, but also enjoyable. AI tailors the content to each learner's needs, ensuring that everyone can achieve their full potential. It empowers us to learn anything, anytime, anywhere. Whether you're on a bus, at a cafe, or in the comfort of your home, learning is always within reach. Mobile devices and cloud-based platforms make it possible to access educational content from anywhere in the world. Let's delve into the specifics of how this revolution unfolds. We'll explore the tools, techniques, and technologies that are driving this change and see firsthand how they are being implemented in classrooms around the globe. The future of learning is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Traditional learning often follows a one-size-fits-all approach. This method, while tried and true, can leave many students feeling disengaged and unmotivated. The same material is presented to everyone regardless of individual learning styles, strengths, or weaknesses. This can result in some students falling behind, while others are not sufficiently challenged. The lack of personalization can make learning feel like a chore rather than an exciting journey of discovery. AI flips the script by creating personalized learning paths. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, AI uses data to understand each student's unique needs. It analyzes performance, learning speed, and even interests to tailor the educational experience. This means that every student gets a learning path that is just right for them, making education more effective and engaging. Imagine an AI tutor that assesses your strengths and weaknesses. This virtual tutor is always available, providing instant feedback and support. It can identify areas where you excel and areas where you need more practice. This continuous assessment helps in creating a dynamic learning plan that evolves with you, ensuring that you are always on the right track. It then curates a learning journey tailored to your needs. The AI selects the most relevant modules and resources, presenting them in a way that matches your learning style. Whether you are a visual learner, prefer hands-on activities, or thrive on reading and writing, the AI adapts to you. This personalized journey keeps you engaged and motivated, making learning more enjoyable. This ensures you focus on areas that need the most attention. By highlighting key areas for improvement, the AI helps you to concentrate your efforts where they are needed most. This targeted approach means that you can make the most of your study time, achieving better results in less time. It also helps to build confidence as you can see your progress and understand exactly where you are improving. This personalized approach means no more struggling through irrelevant material. Instead of wasting time on topics you already understand or are not interested in, you can focus on what truly matters to you. This makes learning more efficient and enjoyable, as you are always working on something that is relevant and interesting. The AI ensures that your learning experience is as effective as possible. With AI, learning becomes an exciting adventure. The use of interactive and engaging content makes the learning process fun and stimulating. You can explore virtual worlds, participate in simulations, and engage with content in a way that traditional methods simply cannot match. This makes learning not just a task, but an adventure that you look forward to every day. It's about charting a course through the vast sea of knowledge. The AI acts as your guide, helping you to navigate through the endless information available. It ensures that you are always on the right path, making the most of your learning journey. This guided approach helps to keep you focused and motivated, as you can see the progress you are making and the goals you are achieving. Your journey is guided by an AI compass that always points you in the right direction. This compass helps you to stay on track, ensuring that you are always moving towards your learning goals. With the AI's guidance, you can be confident that you are making the most of your educational experience, achieving your full potential, and enjoying the journey along the way. Our brains aren't wired for marathon learning sessions. We absorb information best in small, digestible chunks. This is where micro-learning comes in. It breaks down complex topics into bite-sized modules. These are easier to understand and retain. Think of it as building a large puzzle. Each micro-learning module is a piece. As you complete these modules, you gradually piece together a complete understanding of the subject. This approach prevents overwhelm and fosters a sense of accomplishment. Time is a precious commodity. AI-powered micro-learning recognizes this. It optimizes your learning schedule by suggesting the ideal time for each module. It considers your existing commitments and peak learning hours, no more cramming information into a packed schedule. AI ensures that learning seamlessly integrates into your day. It transforms those spare minutes into opportunities for intellectual growth. Section 5. Asking the Oracle AI-powered clarifications. Remember the frustration of unanswered questions while studying. AI-powered tools are here to help. Imagine having access to an AI chatbot available 24/7. It can provide instant clarifications and answer your questions in real time. This on-demand support system eliminates the need to wait for a tutor or teacher's response. It empowers you to learn at your own pace without roadblocks. With AI, the learning process becomes more fluid and less frustrating. Section 6. Learning through play, the AI advantage. Learning shouldn't feel like a chore. AI introduces an element of fun and engagement through gamification. Imagine earning badges, completing challenges, and leveling up as you progress through your learning modules. This gamified approach taps into our natural desire for competition and rewards. It transforms learning into an addictive experience. You'll find yourself looking forward to your next learning session, eager to unlock new achievements. Section 7. Integrating AI, micro-learning into your life. So how do you incorporate this revolutionary learning method into your daily routine? It's simpler than you might think. Numerous apps and platforms offer AI-powered micro-learning experiences. Start by identifying your learning goals, then explore available platforms and choose one that aligns with your interests and learning style. Dedicate even just 15 minutes each day. You'll be amazed at how quickly knowledge accumulates when you embrace micro-learning. Section 8. The future of learning is here. AI-powered micro-learning is not just a passing trend, it's the future of education. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more personalized, engaging, and effective learning experiences. Imagine a world where learning is seamlessly integrated into our lives, where we can acquire new skills and knowledge effortlessly, adapting to the ever-changing demands of the 21st century. This is the future that AI-powered micro-learning is building. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the AI learning revolution. The journey of lifelong learning is no longer a solitary climb. In the past, learning was often an individual endeavor, confined to the walls of classrooms and the pages of textbooks. Today, however, the landscape of education has transformed dramatically. We now have access to a wealth of information and resources at our fingertips, thanks to the advent of digital technology and the internet. This shift has made learning a more collaborative and inclusive experience where people from all walks of life can come together to share knowledge and ideas. AI is our guide, our companion, and our personal tutor. It personalizes our learning experiences, adapting to our unique needs and preferences. Imagine having a tutor who knows exactly what you need to learn next, who can provide instant feedback and who is available 24/7. This is the power of AI in education. It can analyze our strengths and weaknesses, recommend resources, and even predict the best times for us to study. With AI, learning becomes a more efficient and enjoyable process. It empowers us to learn anything we set our minds to, whether it's mastering a new language, understanding complex scientific concepts, or developing new skills for our careers. AI provides the tools and support we need to succeed. It breaks down barriers to education, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or circumstances. With AI, the only limit to what we can learn is our own curiosity and determination. By embracing AI-powered microlearning, we unlock a world of possibilities. Microlearning allows us to absorb information in small, manageable chunks, making it easier to retain and apply what we've learned. This approach is particularly effective in our fast-paced world, where time is often a precious commodity. With AI, we can fit learning into our busy schedules, whether it's during a commute, a lunch break, or even a few minutes before bed. The flexibility and convenience of AI-powered microlearning make it an invaluable tool for lifelong education. So take the leap into the future of learning. Embrace the opportunities that AI offers and become an active participant in your own education. The future of learning is not just about acquiring knowledge, but about developing the skills and mindset needed to thrive in an ever-changing world. With AI, we can stay ahead of the curve, continuously adapting and growing as new challenges and opportunities arise. Embrace the power of AI and embark on a journey of continuous growth and discovery. The potential for personal and professional development is limitless when we harness the capabilities of AI. It can help us achieve our goals, unlock new opportunities, and transform our lives in ways we never thought possible. By integrating AI into our learning processes, we can become more effective, efficient, and empowered learners. The universe of knowledge awaits, and with AI as your guide, the stars are the limit. Imagine exploring vast digital libraries, accessing cutting-edge research, and connecting with experts from around the world, all with the help of AI. The possibilities are endless, and the journey is just beginning. So let's embrace the AI learning revolution and unlock the full potential of our minds. The future of education is here, and it's more exciting than ever.